What, ma'am?
Introduce yourself.
Hello, ma'am. My name is Unnati Mishra. I am currently a pre-final year student from SRM University. I basically belong to Uttar Pradesh, but I live in Gujarat. My main interest lies in web development, but nowadays I am working on my problem-solving skills and competitive programming. My short-term goal is to do as many internships and get some amount of experience before stepping into the real world. And my long term goal is to get selected in a reputed company and gain a good position there. And apart from these skills, I've also taken part in many online hackathons and won few of them. And during hackathons, I've learned a skill to solve any problem in pressure and in minimal amount of time.
Okay, fine. So, what is your long-term goal?
My long term goal is to get selected for a company which is a reputed company, and I should be selected for a good position. Like, I should be satisfied by my work, and I should be able to learn as much as I can in that company.
Okay. So you were telling about the web development, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
in that, and I have few questions. What is known as CORS?
See?
ORS. Any idea?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, it's something like
Okay.
constructive, something, but I'm not remembering at that moment.
Okay. That is known as cross-origin resource sharing. It is a mechanism that enables
Yes, ma'am,
different
I
resources
remember
and a
it.
website.
Like, we can make
Okay.
websites that are visible at different platforms.
Okay. So what are the advantages of HTTP 2.0 over HTTP 1.1?
Ma'am, it is a different protocol, something in which we can host website, and then the two things are having different advantages of themselves. Like, there are some advantages of using point 1 and some advantages of using point 2. So
Okay. What? Continue. Finish up.
we can definitely host that websites in that.
Okay. What's the best way to integrate five different style sheets into a website?
Ma'am, can you repeat?
What's the best way to integrate five different style sheets into a website?
Ma'am, we can compress the files and then we can add the part of that code in the main file by compressing the files and then reducing the size of the files, and we can
Okay.
also add external links to it.
Okay. You have done like a project, right?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
it was about immunoshots. Can I just talk about that project?
Ma'am, this was a hackathon project and this was a group project. We consist of two members, and in this project, it was a basic vaccination booking page. Like, we developed in around January itself, and it is a platform in which user can register themselves, and there is a live location tracking system in which whenever a user logins in that platform, then the location of that person will be captured in the form of longitude and latitude, and then according to the location the hospitals are displayed in that web page, and the user can select that hospital and then move forward to the booking of the vaccination. And as per the free slots, the user is given the vaccination successful vaccination booking successful receipt, so he can print that receipt and then he can go for vaccination. So this was all about the project. And the tech stack that I used in this was HTML, CSS, Django, Google Maps API, and Bootstrap. Like, this was the project, uh, which was built during a 24-hour hackathon, and we were very
Oh.
pressurized to work under this time.
What are the challenges you have faced there?
Ma'am, the time limit, because we were having only 24 hours to build this whole web app, so the time constraint was a big thing, but anyhow we did
Okay.
it.
Okay, fine. Mm. What is the recent update in like computer science field?
And the recent update is like there are many advancements made in the cybersecurity field, because nowadays online crimes have increased because everything is done online. So online crimes have increased a lot. Like people are uh, asking for OTPs, and they are somehow hacking the phone of the person they are calling, and then they are debiting all the money from their account. So the advancements are made in the cybersecurity field so that these type of crimes are reduced.
Okay, so how quickly do you adapt to new technologies?
Ma'am, it depends on the technology, because if there is something which I have never heard about, it will minimum take a week for me to learn it. But after then, I will be able to work on that new technology. Like
Oh,
minimum I take a week to learn any new technology.
okay, what are your biggest achievements till date?
Ma'am, my biggest achievement is a project which was made during a hackathon, and I won that hackathon. And now that project is in GirlScript Summer of Code, and I am a mentor of it. And what that thing is, that I made a project, and then that project was sent to a big platform where people are contributing in my project, and I'm mentoring it. This is my biggest achievement.
Any questions for me?
Ma'am, what will be the work culture when I join the company?
Okay. Why do you want to join this company?
Ma'am, I want to join this company because, as per the job description, I have the relevant things, that is problem solving skill, leadership skills. By doing hackathons, I have also developed leadership skills and growth mindset. So I think that I have the relevant skills that are required by the company, and the skills that I have not acquired will be my top priority. After I join the company, I will be learning those skills. So I think that I can, like, I'm a best fit for joining this company.
Okay. Thank you, dear.
Thank you, ma'am.
Why a little bit frightened? What happened? It was not a relaxed session. Something is the burden is on your head, and you want to put the burden down, and you have to finish it. That is how your
Ma'am,
expressions
there
and
is
the way
this
you talk.
thing, I get frightened while
Yeah,
speaking.
yeah, yeah. That's very clear because that's why you were moving very fast. Even though you're giving the answers, the way of moving fast is like shows that you are not confident about yourself. It shows that you are a bit nervous about the interview
Ma'am, how
itself.
to overcome it?
You have to get relaxed. See, first of all, I always tell my students this is just a one-to-one talk. The person who doesn't know about you is going to talk to you. That's it. So you have to be very cool, like introducing yourself to your pair, like relatives,
Okay, ma'am.
introducing yourself to your friends. Okay, that is how you should get relaxed. But over here, I can see that nervousness very clearly on your face. If it was again one-to-one session, in the sense like if you are sitting in front of me, then I think so the case would have been more different. Okay, but sitting in front of the camera only, you're not able to face it. So that is it happens sometimes it happens, but many other times when you do this, like always have the previous sessions, like always see that you go for an interview online through like, let it be for a BPO or let it be any other company before sitting for the real company. Right now, this is a must. I told you the feedback. So they go get out of it. Try to attend few more companies online the interviews, and then you're not going to sit for a job there. But try to attend the interviews to see what is actually happening. For example, now you can sit for BPO interviews. BPO interviews, the basic requirement is 12 standard only.
Hmm.
So once you have finished your 12 standard, if you have a good communication skill, people you can opt for that and you can send your resume. So once they see the resume, they'll call for. But accordingly for the BPM, you have to write a few volunteerships. Also, you have to write about like a few of your leadership skills and not the same CV what is sent to us. Okay, a little different CV which is matching their requirements. So if you send that, they'll give you a call or they'll send you a message or email telling that yes, ma'am, we want an interview. So once they call for the interview, you can have an online interview. You get to know what is actually happening. Okay, so that is one way of coming out of here. The next thing is, any time when doing the interviews, before coming to the interviews, face the camera or face the mirror. Okay, that's very important. So tell someone to ask questions and see that you are facing the mirror and you are answering the question.
And the
Okay,
content
that
that
is
I
how.
was speaking was up to the level, or I should
Yeah,
improve it?
content was good, but what about MY? I was asking you a few questions related to MYSQL, right? Over there, how to say, the clarity or the right information was missing. You were able to connect it, but with not with the right technological, technical words. Okay, that part was missing because I just asked you the basic question.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, in that only some technical terms, like we talk about with computer science, we have the technical terms. Those terms were missing. You're bringing your answer, but those terms were missing because you have such a good CV. So when people see this, they'll think, okay, you can give your best answer.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, when this kind of things happen, they'll little bit hesitate. But anyway, you'll be in. But one more thing is try to work on those skills which is like lacking. These are the two things. Okay, be a little bit energetic. Don't hurry up with your answer. Don't show your nervousness on your face. That's very important.
Okay,
And
ma'am.
you've been a child, like you have been very smiling all the way, but I don't know what happened today. That is how I've seen you in classroom also. But you always see that you want to do your things. Okay, that is fine. But that should not be on your face.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, be a bit relaxed. Otherwise, it's a bit pressure. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
And take care. Bye.
Okay.